box to get all of our stuff here. This is laying here. Got our nice bag. The bag does come with the scooter for free. Although I don't want to say free for the price you're paying. But in the box, you get a screen protector. I assume this would be our toolkit. Set to the side for a minute. Or yeah, it says toolkit on it. Screen protector, toolkit. This would be our charger. It's just a plain white box. And any other information you'd need, a manual and probably warranty. Along with a little badge. Keep exploring the world, Circooter. And here we have the stem. That appears to just be sitting, just like that. A lot of packaging. And it would slide right there. That's pretty much it, other than mixing all. You have to break the box open if I can. Somehow. This thing is huge. I thought there would be some sort of packaging in between the wheels. And there is these. I'll get my cutter. Yeah, so I assume in the toolkit we have our tools to assemble this a bit more. Have our Allen key, 3 different ones on there, and our 4 screws here for the stem. Let's get the stem on first. Alright, so from here, this thing was right down there. It possibly fell off, or it is not mounted so it doesn't snap off in shipping. And you're just going to thread that on right to about there. Got all our screws in up top here. There's 1, 2, and 3, 4. So thread that in. All right, so you're just gonna wanna make sure these 2 line up here and then thread this on, and the whole scooter is together. So we'll peel this off. That comes off nicely. Get thing here, 20 amp hour battery, only 63 pounds. The whole shipping box would have been just under 80, it says. And this just hooks onto here. You have to hit the brakes and then it comes off. And I took the charger out of the box. This is it right here. It's not a very big charger, but it is definitely a lot of power for the scooter. Comes out and packaging rolls away. And then we're just gonna get these off and just cut them with the pliers. So we got the scooter out here. This is what the screen looks like. Can't really see it in the daytime because it's not on right now. You got your buttons. No idea what any of them do at the moment. I assume this is your horn. Headlights. This one would be your on off. This would be your turn signals. And your throttle over here. It's very springy like. And then you got this thing in the back. Just peel that off. And this is it right here, powered by Circooter. We got 1 charger on that side. On the other side we got 1 right here. Got your turn signals, 1 there, 1 there. They both blink on this side. On the other side, it's the same exact thing. Get your front lights here. And this is what the front of the stem looks like. I don't have anything on at the moment. Yeah, it's powered up. I think you gotta hold it to turn it on. Yes, you do. Here we go. Comes halfway charged. Says ready. Tells you your temperature, and we're in miles per hour. And you click M, switch to kilometers per hour and Celsius. It's 26 degrees outside. I don't know how accurate that is, but it feels about right.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Whoa. Already breaking it. A little scuff there. And yeah, you can't really tell on here. It's all flickery, I guess. but this is your speed. This is max speed. And temperature, trip, kilometers, and turn signals. There. I don't know if the front ones turn on with that. They do not. That's your horn. It's actually pretty loud.
There you go.
Okay, we're on eco right now, so this is lowest speed. 15 is on eco. Bump it up to standard. Standard is 29, I think, or 30, I couldn't tell. I'm running on a road, but it definitely, like, it grabs you, it pulls you. So, hard to move. I switched into turbo. This is the fastest possible one. This is turbo. Can't even get up to top speed, but it's fast. I'm spinning the wheels when I hit acceleration. So, yeah, I'll have to take you guys out on a trip here. I'll mount my camera somewhere. And yeah, that's it for now.